My name is Jess, and today I will be walking you through a step-by-step tutorial of how to create a YouTube channel. So let's get started. So to start, you want to open up any browser and you want to type in youtube.com and press enter. Now you are on the YouTube site. And on the top right corner, you can see a sign in button. Go ahead and click that. Sometimes if you're already signed in to a Gmail account, it will pop up here, or if you have existing Gmail accounts, they will also pop up here. If you have one already, go ahead and type that in. If you don't have one and you'd like to create one, press Create Account. So once you press Create Account, you can see there's a button that says For Myself and a button that says To Manage My Business. I would highly suggest pressing To Manage My Business because this will offer you more features that don't exist if you press For Myself. So go ahead and click the button To Manage My Business. Once here, you'll see the screen that says Create Your Google Account. This will not be the name that appears on your Google account on your YouTube channel, so just go ahead and type in the information. If you have an email address already, this is a place to type it in here and you will just need to confirm. If you do not have an email address already, go ahead and click the button Create a New Gmail Address instead. Now you are able to create a username that appears before the Gmail. You can type in whatever you would like to have, like your business name. And if it doesn't appear available, when you click password, this red will pop up. Go ahead and try various other names. They also have suggestions at the bottom in blue. You can keep checking it by pressing password until you find one that fits, and the red will disappear. Go ahead and create a password that you'll remember. Something that isn't hackable and that has a lot of numbers or characters or a mixture of both. So once you've typed the password, go ahead and press next. Here it'll ask you for a phone number or a recovery email address that you can use in case something happens to your account. I would highly suggest one of these, but they are optional if you rather not. You will need to input your birthday, month, and year. I don't know why, but they need this information just to make your account. Sometimes they send you personal special things on your birthday. So go ahead and click the month, the day, and the year. And then where it says gender, you can select these options: female, male, rather not say, or you can customize your gender if it's not available. I always click rather not say, and then I press next. Here's the terms and privacy information. You can go ahead and read that through if you would like. It basically just walks you through what a Gmail account is and how to use it and what Google uses. So once you've read that, go ahead and press agree. Now it's going to load and you've made an account. Where it says your Google account is all set, now add your business profile. I would skip this for now because you can go in later and add this. So press not now. Once you press not now, it will bring you back to YouTube. But you'll see on the right hand side a little icon with your initial or the email initial, something up there. You want to click that, and in that you can see create a channel. This is important to remember, so you're going to want to click create a channel. And here it will pop up, your creator journey begins. Press get started. Here you have the option to use your name or you can create a custom name for your channel. Select Use a Custom Name. Here you can type in what you want your channel to be called. This is a great place to type in your business name if you have one. I just put tutorials. So this is what will show up on the top when you search someone's channel. Click that you understand and then press create. This will take you back to YouTube and this will show you your account. It says, "Nice work, your channel Tutorials with Jess has been created." You want to click the left YouTube button, which will take you back to the YouTube homepage. And now you can see the first letter of your new channel name will appear on the left side. Mine starts with a T because my name is Tutorials with Jess. Here you have a bunch of different options: purchase memberships, YouTube Studio, you can switch your accounts, you can sign out, you can decide your theme, change your language, location. You'll find your channel settings here and help. So go and click into your channel. And this pulls up what your channel looks like. You'll have your picture here, your name, you'll have how many subscribers below your name, customize channel, and manage videos. This is what your homepage will look like to you, not to your audience. I want you to go up to the right-hand corner and click your icon again and go down to YouTube Studio. This is where you'll be able to make all your edits and changes. Go ahead and click out of this if you want to, or you can press Learn More. Close. Here's your channel dashboard. This shows you what videos you've uploaded, your data, if there's any issues with your YouTube page, and what's new. You can go to the left and you can go all the way down to settings, and this is really important, so make sure you're following along with this. Click settings. In the settings section, you can change your dollars or your currency. I'm in dollars because I'm in the United States, but you can change it to any type of currency you want. This will be important later. If you get enough subscribers to your channel, you can start to make money. But go into channel and click, these are just basic information, but I want you to go in and click feature eligibility. So the default features allowed you to upload videos, create playlists, and so on, but in order to make videos that are 15 minutes long, customize your thumbnails, live stream, and appeal content ID claims, you have to enable this feature. So go ahead and click verify your phone number. A new screen will pop up. You want to select your country and select how you want your verification to be delivered to your phone. If you want it to call them, you press confirm, but I prefer to have text. So I go in and I will type my phone number here and press submit. Once you submit, you'll get a text or a phone call, depending on what you chose, a 6-digit verification number. Go ahead and see that and then type that into this box. And then press submit. Congratulations, your YouTube account is now verified. You can go ahead and close this tab and you will see here it is now enabled. So now you are able to make videos over 15 minutes, which is huge. So that is how you create a YouTube channel. If you want to watch more videos like these, please click the videos up here, or you can watch the playlist down below. See you next time.